Hi, I'm Jennifer, and I'm so glad you're here as I take you through these steps and ideas to get your home ready to sell. Staging is getting your home ready to sell and includes 5 areas of focus: enhancing curb appeal, decluttering, making repairs, cleaning, and decorating. Start early. Spring is the best time to list and sell your home. People don't usually want to move in the winter or during the holiday season, or especially during the school year. Curb appeal is very important. Buyers make up their mind in a matter of seconds whether they even want to go into a home, just by a quick look at the outside. A clean home helps buyers to feel that they could move right in without having excess cleaning to do once they arrive. It isn't too early to decide if you want to stage your home or to hire a stylist to do it for you. It could range from $500 to over $5,000. Either way, staged homes always sell faster and are likely to sell for 5% higher than a non-staged home. Definitely worth the effort. You can do the repairs yourself or hire a professional. Start the repairs early. It may take some time to get on the schedule of a contractor. Be sure to walk around your home inside and out and make notes of things that you may not notice on a daily basis. Make a note of any repairs or touch-ups needed. The next thing to do is start the decluttering process. Excess items in the home will be in your way and will cause prospective home buyers to feel the house doesn't have enough storage or room if it is overly filled with your belongings. Go room by room and set aside items to donate, sell, or to put into storage. Once the items are boxed up, donate them as soon as possible to remove them from the premises and get them out of your way. You may want to set a date for a yard sale or move the excess into a rented storage unit. Box up excess toys, and that way it'll be easy to keep the play areas clean and picked up. Only keep the necessities in your home so that you can easily keep it clean and organized for future open houses or showings at a moment's notice. This is also a good time to reduce the amount of excess food stored in your home. Do not stock up at the warehouse club. Use the excess food so that your pantry and cabinets and freezer and refrigerator are not overly full. It will seem like the home is short on storage space if it has too much excess. Besides, it will be less to deal with when you move. This goes for cleaning supplies as well. Also, pack up important items: jewelry, ID cards, passports, social security cards, money, birth certificates, car titles, wills, deeds, or anything else of importance should be put in a safe or in a secure location. After all, when your home is on the market, strangers could be moving about your home. Purge old craft supplies and unfinished projects. If you believe you'll finish these projects one day, pack them up and take them to storage. By this time, you're really in moving mode and you're planning this home will not be yours much longer. It is time to remove personal items. Start by replacing family photo frames with wall art or packing up the photos and awards. Small knickknacks and trinkets can be packed up as well. When removing personal items from your home, make sure to box up trophies and awards as well. Take out excess furniture so that the rooms appear larger and it's easier to move throughout your rooms. Pick up small rugs to open up a room. They could also be a tripping hazard. Be sure to remove fabric toilet seat covers and matching toilet contour rugs, as they can date a space and be perceived to be germ covered. Clean surfaces off, such as dressers, desks, kitchen counters, and bookshelves. Only keep out a few decorative items. Keep 1 to 2 appliances on your kitchen counters only. You want to make sure it shows that you have plenty of kitchen counter space. It's a great idea to remove pet supplies such as bowls, beds, toys, and food, and of course the pet as well, during views or open houses. Some people have a fear of animals or allergies, and that could deter them from buying your home. To freshen up the exterior areas and help your home to feel clean and inviting, gently pressure wash anything that looks dingy or needs cleaned, walkways included. Freshen your front door with a good cleaning or a fresh coat of paint if needed, and don't forget to clean the glass. Clean windows are so important. You don't want a potential buyer looking out dirty windows into your yard. When cleaning your front porch, make sure to clean or replace your front doormat. A welcoming doormat always makes a great impression. Spray door hinges with WD-40 to prevent them from squeaking. Update the house numbers or remove and spray paint them. Consider painting or replacing your mailbox as well. Start trimming hedges and shrubs or hire a landscaping company to come weekly. Fertilize your grass so that your lawn will be weed-free and plushy green when your house goes on the market. Keep a watering routine as well. If possible, have all dead trees removed. Stash trash cans and recycle bins in a shed, garage, or at a nondescript location. Be sure to wash and clean your outdoor furniture and cushions to make a more welcoming outdoor feel. Clean gutters and make sure they're draining properly. To add even more appeal, consider buying a few pots and fill them with fresh, colorful flowers before an open house and before listing photos are taken. Add a fresh layer of mulch to weeded flower beds. Be sure that none of your faucets are leaking. This is a simple repair, but could be a cause of concern for a potential buyer. It's always better for you to locate potential issues instead of someone who may be considering purchasing your home. Check toilets, showers, tub surrounds, and tile areas in your bathroom for mold, gunk, or caulking issues. Remove poor caulking, replace with new, and make sure everything is really clean. Tidy up all cabinets, drawers, pantry, and refrigerator. Check walls and ceilings for cracks or bubbling paint. Repair or hire someone to fix them. Be sure cabinets are clean and hardware is secure. Update old worn dark bedding or cover it with a white duvet, quilt, or add a clean, beautiful blanket. Before an open house, clean your mirrors. Plug in an air freshener or bring in fresh greenery, fresh flowers, or a bowl of lemons. Open curtains and turn on lights. Replace dark, heavy shower curtains or window curtains with light fabrics. To cover worn furniture, lay a nice throw blanket over the area. Update old throw pillows or add inexpensive slip covers. Clean or shampoo rugs if needed. When you have an open house approaching or your home has been listed on the market, general dusting often is a great idea. Wipe down countertops and vanities daily to be ready for home tours. Remove spider webs inside and out. Dust ceiling fans and light fixtures. Clean your oven and microwave often. The kitchen sink, ceiling vent covers, and replace furnace filters. Before you have a home showing, double check everything around your house. Have the family help. Have the kids check to make sure all the toys are picked up and bath towels, laundry is secured in a clothing hamper, and you check your front porch for debris or dust or dirt. Make sure your front yard is raked up and double check your backyard, especially if you have pets. Make sure all of the pet droppings are cleaned up so that anyone touring your home doesn't go into the backyard and accidentally step in something they wish wasn't there. I once toured a home and the entire backyard was completely full of pet droppings. It was a real big deterrent about purchasing that home. All I could focus on was the mess that was left behind by the homeowners. It was not appealing whatsoever. Make sure that you let your children know that you may have a realtor contacting you for a short notice showing. Have extra supplies for the kids and pets in the vehicles. That way, if you need to pack up and leave the house on a quick notice, you'll have activities for the kids to do, and also a little snack bag in case it's snack time. It's also very handy to pack a diaper bag and have it in your vehicle. That way, if you need to get the kids and get into the vehicle and leave the premises so that your house can be viewed, you'll have all of the things you need, including medications handy. Even though it's a wonderful idea to box up the excess in your home and store the clutter, it's also a really great idea to not fill the garage so full that potential buyers cannot go out and tour the garage. A garage is a very important feature to most homeowners, and they would love to check out the storage and make sure that their vehicles will fit properly in that space. It's a nice idea to plan some destinations that you can take the family to while someone's touring your home. If you're a single person or a single couple, maybe a coffee shop will be a great idea to go visit. However, if you have kids, another fun location would be a better idea. Perhaps a local park would be something they could look forward to each time the home is being shown. Selling your house can be a difficult process, especially as you overhaul the look and feel of your home to impress strangers. The more you can detach yourself from the process, the easier it will be to prepare your home to put on the real estate market. I hope you found this video helpful and useful. I wish you all the best as you prepare your home to list it for sale. Best wishes on your move. I'll see you next time. Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.